Blessed day, everyone. God nudged you to click on this video because this is for you. It's not just the signs, but the messages behind the signs. So today's sign is a cow looking at me for a really long time. Spiritually, it means I am being or we are being called to slow down, practice deep patience, and ground your energy. It represents a message of inner peace, quiet strength, and a reminder to connect with nature with quiet intuition. Actually, I'm going swimming again for the several times this month already because I want to connect with nature. I hope you do the same, especially if you're feeling that you're not grounded. Core spiritual meanings, grounding and presence. Cows are calm and steady animals. A long stare tells you to stay rooted in the present moment and stop rushing. Sometimes we have this tendency, especially if we don't know what's next, like sometimes we rush God or we rush ourselves or we tend to go back to the 3D world even if we have ascended already or we have had spiritual awakenings already. Sometimes it still comes up that, you know, we rush things. Just like when we're going to the office or something like that in the morning. Okay. Quiet intuition. Their soft, deep eyes invite you to look past everyday stress. They ask you to listen to your inner voice. Abundance and nourishment. Cows are ancient symbols of motherly care, fertility, and steady provision. They remind you that you are taken care of. This is a nice message. Yes, we have to trust in that knowing that God is taking care of us. Gentle strength. They show you that true power does not need the loud, aggressive, calm persistence with the day. How to respond. Breathe deeply. Match the slow pace of the animal. Take a deep breath and release tension in your body. Observe your life. Ask yourself where you feel rushed or anxious. Find ways to bring more simplicity into your daily routine. So that's the message about the cow looking at me for a very long time. I don't know. I found it weird that it's really just like looking at me. It was at a distance. And I was taking my morning walk as usual. And I saw this really big cow. And just, why is it looking at me like that? This must be a message. So I looked for the message. And it is a calling for us to have that slow, steady pace. And to remain grounded. And, you know, not to be too aggressive and not to be always in a hurry. So almost the same meaning as the previous ones, but different signs. I don't know why we are always being called to, you know, slow down, ground down, and trust that we are taken care of. So, guys, that's the meaning of the sign for today. God bless you with good health, wealth, and abundance in all areas of your life. Thank you for watching.